In this lesson, we will see together the prepositions, but more precisely, we will see parmi. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. So, this lesson is about parmi. And the preposition parmi translates to among or amongst in English. So we will see 4 examples with parmi. Il est considéré parmi les meilleurs de sa génération. Il est considéré parmi les meilleurs de sa génération. J'ai trouvé mon portefeuille parmi les livres. J'ai trouvé mon portefeuille parmi les livres. Parmi vous, qui veut participer à la compétition? Parmi vous, qui veut participer à la compétition? Elle se sentait perdue parmi tous ces inconnus. Elle se sentait perdue parmi tous ces inconnus.